Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Guys, after kwendeke konke lokwendekile eMadlanga Commission, ngakho-ke sebasitshela ukuthi i-report ngeke izithule public, itoba confidential. Asazi ukuthi yini le efuna kube into so, but bathi since kunama-witness langazange atofakaza like Mosibiya, that interim report itobe ichaza ukuthi bobani labathole ba-guilty, bobani labathole banjani njani. So guys, kuthiwa mhla ka-17 nakubuyela eMadlanga kutobe lapho ku-phase 1 ku-wrap up lo phase 1 lokwendekile kukonke, tabe siyathula i-report, but ekuthulweni kwayo angeke live lathi ukuthi kwendakaleni abe yini ma-findings latholiwe. So itothi mayiqhubeka next year ku-phase 2 cause itobuyelwa ngoJanuary, that's where maybe sitoba ne-hint ukuthi la kwendeke 1, 2, 3, but as for Nyalo, excuse yabo ithi yona basafuna kuqale bathole ubufakazi lobuphelele from all the witnesses, yabo, bese after lapho thina sizobe sesiyabuya sizohlatiyela. Mara nathi siyadeserve kwathi ukuthi la muntu lo wende so bekungubani. Mara as for lento labayishoka angeke size siyiphikise because lawo siyathemba nathi ukuthi kuto-protecta labo labasangakafakazi, kutophinde ku-protect nalabo lasebafakazile cause once wavedwa kuthi sibani ufakaze lokhu, sibani atholakala seka-guilty, yabo, ukuthi lapho tabe sekuba nje nengadi lechithakalako. But as for Ramaphosa sithembe ukuthi ukupheka something letothi isinike ama-results lavakalako. Gayzini, that's all. Please like, comment and subscribe. Donibona ku-video elandelayo. Bye.